guys, welcome back to my channel. So people have acne on many parts of their bodies, all over their bodies. Back acne is something that happens to people. Having acne does not just appear on your face, it can appear on your chest, it can appear on your neck, and even on your back. And this can be caused by many things. It can be caused by hormones, by pregnancy, by weather conditions, your diet, many things. But let's not dwell on the causes and let's dwell on the solution. So there are 3 basic things you can use if you want to take care of back acne. I will tell you to get some Witch Hazel. You can also get some tea tree oil, and you can get some rose water. Combining these 3 will help you to get rid of back acne. Get 1 cup of Witch Hazel, combine it with ½ cup of rose water, then about 3 drops of tea tree oil, and mix them all together. Witch Hazel has antibacterial and antifungal properties which help to dry up acne on your body, especially when it's on body parts and not just on your face. So combining it with rose water is also very beneficial and effective because rose water has a lot of hydrating properties. It also helps to moisturize your skin. It helps to balance the pH of your skin. The antibacterial properties in rose water is going to help you to dry up the acne. And tea tree is also very good and is the chief when it comes to drying up acne on your body. Anytime you have acne on your body, I would advise you to use tea tree oil because it has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It will help to reduce redness and swelling in those spots and in those regions. But you don't apply tea tree directly, you apply it using some carrier stuff, and that is why I suggest you using some Witch Hazel and rose water. So you have to combine it because applying it directly to your skin might make it burn, but when you combine it with any of these things, it's totally okay for you. So just combine it this way and you apply it to your body. So guys, I have a combination of Witch Hazel, tea tree, and rose water here. So anytime you have body acne on your back, on your chest, don't fret, just take a bit of this and take your cotton pad like so and just dab a bit and apply it on your hands, apply it on your neck, on your back. It might sting a bit because of the Witch Hazel, but this is totally fine. This is what it's supposed to do. It's not going to harm you, but of course you need to test it first. So just applying it on all those affected body parts is going to make it dry up in no time. When you do this, I would advise you to do this at night before you go to bed. If you can, do it twice a day, but especially at night time when you're about to go to bed. Doing this is going to help you to rejuvenate your skin while it works all through the night. In the morning, take your bath and use your lotion or moisturizer as usual. If you want, you can still repeat the process in the morning depending on how fast you want it to clear up. You need to actually be dedicated to doing this, and I am very sure it's going to help you to clear up all body acne, pimples, anything you have in your body. So this is my video for you today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and kindly join me on my second channel, Tomi Adenuga, where I share my cooking and lifestyle experiences. So let's go there. I'll see you subsequently. I'll see you in the next video. Just stay beautiful because you're beautiful. Bye.